3D printing should be fun and accessible for everyone. That's our mission with every Robo product we make. Innovative, next-gen features, Wi-Fi connectivity, faster print speeds, onboard slicing, the ability to print from your phone, mobile device, or Chromebook, intuitive design, and price points where you do not have to spend thousands to get the quality 3D printing experience you deserve. Our machines make people's lives easier and enrich the creative process, not only for students, educators, entrepreneurs, and design professionals that already use 3D printing to enhance learning initiatives and aspects of business, but anyone with an entrepreneurial mindset who wishes to build something with their own hands that they never thought possible. With its versatile full-feature set, the Robo C2's compact smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi gives makers of all skill levels and backgrounds the freedom to create high-quality 3D prints for a wide range of personal and professional grade projects. Robo C2 also features a 5x5x6 inch print size and a 3.5 inch built-in color touchscreen. The Robo R2 high-performance smart 3D printer with Wi-Fi is larger in size, with a more robust feature set that gives serious, results-driven makers the ability to tackle large-scale 3D prints for a wide range of professional-grade projects. Robo R2 gives you a bigger 8x8x10 inch print size, heated print bed, an onboard camera to monitor your print in real time, and a 5-inch color touchscreen. Plus, the ability to add a second extruder or completely swap out with another extruder module. Powering your 3D printing experience with Robo C2 and Robo R2 is the Robo app, which gives you controlled precision right from your mobile device. Plus, it offers an array of more impressive functionality, letting you monitor the progress of every print, manage multiple prints and printers at once, connect to cloud libraries and access thousands of 3D models, and make in-app purchases for filaments, accessories, print kits, and more. Coupled with next-level connectivity, our open-source software approach makes it that much easier to bring your prints from concept to creation. Whether you find inspiration online or design the print yourself, and Robo print kits provide everything you need for a quick way to make it uniquely yours, all in one package. Whatever you're looking to make, we've got the tools to bring your ideas to life, and we can't wait to see what you make next. Robo, make the imagined.